Before I show you how to graph, I'm going to show you some software where you can actually graph this stuff. It's called GeoGebra. I'll put a link inside the Google Classroom. So here it is here, www.geogebra.org graphing. Okay, so if I go over to it, so it's right here. If you type it in, it looks like this. And here you type in the values. So let's start with the first one. Okay, transformation. So the very first one, you look in front of the x squared. So you got y equals x squared, you look in front, a is 1. If there's nothing in the front, that means a is 1. So we're just going to write a equals 1. So it's basically there's nothing in the front, right in the front here, 1. Okay, there's no transformation for this one. Our step pattern is 1, 3, 5, 7. So we're going to do 1, 3, 5, 7. So I'm going to graph it onto this graph here. Okay, so we're going all these graphs will start at 0, 0. So we're going to have a dot at 0, dot 0. And I'll try to make this nice big dot here. Oh, let's try to write it a little bit thicker here. Nice big purple dot. Start at 0, 0. Let's do that one more time. A dot right at 0, 0 right here. Okay, you're going to go over 1 square, up 1. Every time you're going to go over 1 square, and now you're going to go up 1, 2, 3. It's that pattern, the 1, 3, 5 pattern. Then you're going to go over 1 square and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to do the same on the other side. You're going to go over 1 square, up 1. Over 1 squared, 1, 2, 3. Over 1 square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then you're going to go and take your pencil and do the best curve. You don't need a ruler here. You do the best curve. So you go here, you come around, and you try to get all these points, and you do a happy face curve, and then you put these arrows on the end. And there's the first graph, y equals x squared. Okay, I'll write it out, y equals x squared. So if we go to that fancy software over here, we can just type in y equals x squared. And there's the squared symbol down here. Just type y equals x squared, and there it is. See, if you go over 1, goes up 1. Over 1, 1, 2, 3, up. The next one, over 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our graph, maybe I can zoom out, is right here. Okay, now it goes by 2s. Let's go to the next one. Come back, let's draw the next one. So here in the front is 3. So because there's a 3, we're going to have a vertical stretch. So because it's not a decimal, we have a vertical stretch. So it's going to stretch by 3. We call it a vertical stretch by 3. So instead of doing 1, 3, 5, we take all these numbers and we multiply them by 3. So it's going to be stretched up. So instead we're going to, when we multiply all these numbers, we're going to get 3, because 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And then 15. And we're going to use, instead of using 1, 3, 5, we're going to use 3, 9, and 15 to graph. And maybe I should do a different color here. So I'll use blue for this one. Okay, so let's go with the blue here. So instead of 1, 3, we're gonna all these get multiplied by 3. We're gonna use 3. 3 times 3, 9. I don't think we'll fit 15. Okay, so we're gonna start every single one of these graphs. I'm gonna start right here. Put a blue dot there. We're gonna go over 1, and then so we're gonna go from this blue dot, go over 1, and then go up 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna put a dot right here. So we go by the 3. Then we go over 1, and we're gonna go up 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's not going to fit. It's way up high. So let's do that dot here. And let's go take a look at 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, right on the edge there, way up here, there should be a dot. And way up here. Again, over 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, way up here. We connect these, bring it down, a nice skinny graph, bring it up, and put arrows on the end. Okay, and that's our second graph. It's y equals 3x squared. Now let's go take a look over on our graphing software. So we're going to go switch over here. We're going to type in on the same one. We'll go hit enter at the end. We'll put 2 on the same one. Y equals 3x squared. See, there it is. It's skinny. You go over 1, up 1, 2, 3. Over 1, you're going to go up like 9. So over 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for the next point. It's really skinny graph. It's as if they took the green graph and they vertically stretched it by 3 up and down. Okay, that's that graph there. Okay, so we got the blue one and we got that. Okay, I just want to make sure you guys know why multiplied by 3 and why it's a vertical stretch. So you see in this case here, there's a 3 in the front of the x squared. That's why we multiplied these by 3. And that's why this is a vertical stretch by 3. It's the 3 in the front. Okay, and then all those values get multiplied by 3. Okay, I will do the next 2 graphs and the chart in the next video.